Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk Way. It's been exactly 1 year since I started this channel, so I thought it might be fun to look at every trade I've made since I started. I'll go over the profits I took and the reasons for the buys. Subscribe and hit that bell to follow my journey in stock trading. I make a new video for every trade, and hit that like button if you enjoy chicken. Let's begin by looking at the index funds I bought from the past year. I was always a long-term investor, so index funds were my go-to investment, but recently swing trading has been working out well for me. I bought $102,000 of the American index in April 2017, and sold this year in February. Got about a 6.4% return or $6,500. Bought in again in the week after, for a quick profit of $7,368. In total, that's a return of $13,870, or about 13%. It would have been better to buy the unhedged fund, because the American dollar went down. I could have seen 4% extra if I just followed the index without currency hedging. Index funds are safer and tend to go up at least 10% a year. I pulled out of them once the market showed a lot of volatility recently. The index could definitely drop 50% and stay down for over 2 years if a market crash happens. Now let's look at my single stock trades in the past year. First, we have 4 Canadian stocks I bought in April. We have Dollarama, a Canadian dollar store. Corus Entertainment, a dying cable TV company, a risky buy for that 10% dividend. RBC and TD Bank, huge banks in Canada that tends to be pretty safe. Here are the returns I received from these companies. Dollarama gave me a huge 37% in returns of $1,880. Corus was sold quickly because it was not safe to keep in an age of cable cutting. The banks gave me a normal return of 7% for 10 months, and I received $360 of dividends as well. I also bought 2 American companies I really believe in. Google and Amazon. Google didn't move much in the 8 months, only giving me 1%. Amazon really spiked up at a 38% profit in 6 months, my best stock so far. In total it's about 22% returns in less than a year, definitely not bad at all. Now we'll look at my 2018 trades. In February I bought Apple and PayPal. I saw a profit of $650 from Apple, and $239 from PayPal, or about 6% in total. This was in just 1 month. I also bought Twitter but sold it quickly after, for a 0% gain. My most recent trades are AMD and Facebook. AMD is going up like crazy at a 24% return in 2 weeks. Facebook is also doing well at 7%. So far I haven't had a loss in trading any stocks. Twitter came the closest to a loss at only a $6 profit after fees, but I held on until it became profitable. These swing trades have been a great experience, so I decided to open up a stock market group. Monk's Market Moves, a group with a complete transparent look at my current portfolio, where I show you every single move I make in the stock market, updated live and on email. This includes the exact time, the reason for purchase, a target price, risk factor, and a value of that company. You'll also get my current analysis about the market and if it's a good time to be in all cash. There's also a section for stocks of interest, meaning stocks I might be buying in the future, way before I release the stocks to buy videos. I think this will be a very useful group for people who don't have the time to keep up with stock news. A great value for the average investor. Look in the description below for a 50% off coupon, only for early adopters. The past year has been a great experience in the market and on YouTube. I learned a lot about short-term trading. You definitely only want to trade companies you understand completely. I learned this lesson buying Twitter. It was a risky stock already and I don't really use Twitter. Keeping it for even a few days made me anxious, and I almost sold on a small loss. Compare this to owning a stock like Apple or PayPal. If they happen to go down by a lot, I would just wait it out until they go back up. Because I trust these companies, I'll be swing trading earnings in the coming months, so stay tuned for those trades. Some stocks I like recently are Take-Two Interactive, Walmart, and Costco, all reporting earnings this month. I'll be making videos about them if I buy into any of them. Remember to look below for my stock market group. Members will receive instant updates of when I buy in and when I sell, as well as analysis of each company I'm interested in. It's 50% off for early adopters, but only for the next few days. Take advantage of this wealth of knowledge right now. Subscribe and hit that bell for more stock market videos. I make a new one for every trade I make, and leave a like if you like turkey. Keep watching to buy the best stocks, the Monk Way.